Hi Trader, Tina here once again from ShortMeTina.com with my daily recap. Today is Thursday, tomorrow is Friday, which will conclude your work week. We are rolling on. So before I jump into a recap of the overall market, I want to welcome you and welcome you back. So if this is your first time tuning into a ShortMeTina video, I'd like to say welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. Thank you for stopping by. Do us a solid in the comment section. Drop me a comment. You can just say hello. Let me know how your day is going. And as I usually want to know, what did you think about my analysis? Agree, disagree? It's perfectly fine to disagree with me. Just comment in the comment section. It actually helps to get the word out. Anyway, let's roll on. What you're looking at on your screen, as usual, is the SPY. It's the daily chart dating back to 2017, 2 years worth of data. I think it's giving us a clear and good picture, right? For 2 years, the SPY essentially traded within a range, and then we finally broke free mid-October, and we have not looked back since then. So for about within a month and a half, the SPY is up, like I've indicated before, about 10%. Can you imagine that? 10% in a month and a half? That's great. And it was clear once, not necessarily once we broke out in mid-October on the 293 level, but once we broke above previous all-time highs of around 300, I knew the market wanted to go higher. And once we broke free here, you can see that when as high as 315.48. Since then, we've pulled back slightly, closed at 312.09 today on low volume. Again, like I stated, expect, considering that we are in a very long holiday stretch, which started, let's say, somewhere around early November. We just got over the Thanksgiving holiday here in the U.S. We're about to roll into several other Christmas holidays. So expect volume in the stock market to be extremely light. And for me, this is the time of year when those low float stocks tend to run. So if you're looking to actually trade and you don't want to, concentrate on whatever you have going on with family and preparing for the holidays, you might want to take a look at the small cap or small cap stocks. You'll find a lot of low float runners. Anyway, so back to volume. You can see, although we're up on the day, not too far off of all-time highs. Look at volume here. It's about half of what it typically is. Like I indicated yesterday, the SPY typically trades around 60 million. Yesterday we did 41.5. Today we clocked in at 37.5. I still think that there's a possibility we will get this Santa Claus rally. It already started in October, again up 10% in about a month and a half. I see us potentially getting to 328 and 330 before 2020, or at least at the beginning of 2020. So for me, the market looks relatively strong here. What else? All right, the IWM small cap, like I said, if you're looking to trade, volume is going to be light. However, I've noticed, and this typically happens around this time, for some reason, those low float stocks tends to run. So if you're looking for those 20, 30, 40% gains in a short period of time, you might want to concentrate on small cap stocks. Anyway, IWM daily chart dating back to 2017, we broke out of resistance finally at 160, and we've been able to sustain that break, meaning we haven't dipped too far below 160. You can see it right here. I drew these two lines for you, and we are remaining above. As long as we can stay above, which we have with a quote of 160.95 today or close, if we can stay above there, I really see us at minimum retesting all-time highs, which is around 173. So you still have about 20 points of upside left. I see us perhaps testing those levels heading into 2020. What else? All right, so let's wrap it up and round it out with ticker SAGE. It's a daily chart, but we obviously want to pay attention to price action here. You can see that huge gap down. Stock is off about 60% on the day, closed at $60.18. Why is the stock down about 60%? Well, one of the depressive disorder drugs that they've been working on actually failed to meet a key goal or a key goal point at day 15. When news of this broke, stock collapse. So let's look at the hourly chart. But before we get there, you can see that we close right sort of on or slightly under that support level of about 2 years of around $60. You can see that it bounced around that $60 level in September of 2017, but has since then traded above that. minus today where we actually dipped slightly below and we closed at $60.18. So we're kind of slightly right on that support level. So heading into tomorrow, if you're saying, well, should I get into this stock? Is it a dead cat bounce? And believe you me, it's definitely going to have its day where it's going to rally about 15 to 20%. Now you have to ask yourself, is tomorrow that day, or should you let the dust settle a little bit and wait until next week? But you're going to get your dead cat bounce. The question I guess you'll ask yourself is, when is that actually going to occur? So anyway, closed at $60.18. You can see that majority of the selling definitely happened within the first hour of trading, but we definitely traded down for the remainder of the trading day on slightly lower volume. So heading into tomorrow, as usual, you want to pay attention to where the stock opens up. If we open up below $60, not a good sign. If we take out today's low of 56.51, definitely not a good sign. But if you're looking to take a long position, I would say you might want to look around there. Now, so if we can trade between that today's low of around $56 and $60, and the market doesn't dip below too much below those levels, that might be a key area for you to jump in. Tina here, once again from ShortMeTina.com. If you enjoyed any portion of this video, I'd like for you to do 3 things for me. One comment in the comment section. Let me know. Did you get caught with this gap down in ticker SAGE? Let me know how you're feeling about that. Are you looking to go long? Are you short? Congratulations if you're short. That's the first thing. 2, I do videos every single day. Make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel at ShortMeTina. And lastly, 3, I've been trading for a very long time, over 15 years, closer to 20. So if you think you can learn anything from me, definitely head on over to our website, ShortMeTina.com. Sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening, and as always, thank you for the support. I'll see you back here tomorrow.